In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize automated email templates in Pipedrive. First off, if you're not already familiar with Pipedrive, it's a popular CRM that helps you streamline your sales processes. Customizing email templates can be incredibly valuable when you want to ensure your communications are both efficient and consistent with your brand. Let's start by navigating to pipedrive.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which can usually be found in the upper right corner of the page. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and type those details in, making sure everything's correct. Then click login to access your Pipedrive dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the pipeline section and click on deals. This is where you'll manage and track your sales opportunities. Following that, you'll want to locate the sales inbox. This is crucial as it's the gateway to your email functionalities in Pipedrive. Click on the sales inbox and then look for the new email button, which is typically prominent within the inbox interface. Once you've clicked new email, you'll be in the email composition window. Here you have the opportunity to create a template email from scratch or modify an existing one. Think about the type of email you send frequently. Maybe it's a welcome message to new leads or a follow-up after a meeting. Whatever it is, crafting a well thought out template now will save you loads of time in the future. Your next task is to set up the recipient fields. Click on recipients and enter the appropriate email addresses. You can personalize your templates further by incorporating merge fields if that's relevant to your setup. After you've filled in all the pertinent fields, click on Save Draft as a template. It's this function that enables the reuse of your crafted email with ease. When prompted, assign a clear and memorable name to your template. This will make it much easier to locate when you're ready to use it again. Decide on the privacy settings for your template by clicking on the private button if you want this template to be for your eyes only. Alternatively, you might want to keep it shared within your team, depending on who needs access. Finally, hit that save button. By doing so, your email template is readily available for future uses, saving you time and ensuring consistency in how you reach out to your clients or leads. That's it for today. You've now successfully customized an automated email template in Pipedrive. It's skills like these that can greatly enhance your productivity and the effectiveness of your communication strategies. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you with the knowledge needed to make the most out of Pipedrive's power.